I hope that the thing is already blocked by. I mean, most bars are divided between making it back at all costs. We stay here?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Well, there's a distance here from some winds is blocked at the bottom, I suppose. It's very dark. It's considered to be dangerous, actually.
Yeah.
Need the sun.
They say don't go on the beach.
I think here we are already far from it.
Wow, I don't want to be on that boat.
You don't want to be on that road.
Boats.
Oh, the boat. Oh, maybe because it's big, it's stable. Something happened here. Let's close the...
It's just looking too dangerous.
Where do you see the danger coming from? Stones, maybe?
I don't know. I'm not a security guard.
Oh, there are people hiding here, man.
There's some surfers there too.
Yeah. Surfers are that requires this wind.
Many people are watching the surfers there. You want to sit there on this bench? There's two seats between those two people.
Yeah.
And film your surfer.
The surfers are further away.
Go further?
Yeah, I suppose.
But further is no bench.
Well, if you're feeling, you need to sit with seats on it. But it's a bit muddy. Yeah. That one. Might try a bike, you know. One of our holidays. Go biking.
Really?
With some.
You should have rented a scooter today, Freddy.
Oh, really?
Then we could have gone all the way wherever. And I would just sit and you would drive me around. Oh,
I think walking is good for you.
I think so too.
It's,
Moving, eh? Moving the body.
wakes up all those sleepy parts. Yeah, prefer walking slowly and something that matches.
We need to stop for a drink, but not here. We can go to the hotel and have a drink there.
You need the palapa. Oh, inside there. These are your stuff, right? You want to step? You want to go inside? Drink there?
Yeah, I think so. We need to drink some water. Eh? We need to stay hydrated.
Oh, here, look. Yeah.
That's my biggest danger now is to get dehydrated.
I don't know whether they expect to be pushed though. Standing just there. Well, this pool is not used as much by those people.
Our pool literally is never used.
Never been there. Thought you wanted to put your feet in there. Never noticed that there was a gate here. to your left. So where would you like us to sit then?
Right here. We once had lunch there.
At the corner here?
On the left.
It's covered as well, so it should be fine. They all kind of